Here's your Storm Track 7 forecast.
I'm Storm Track 7 Chief Meteorologist Mark Schnackenberg. Wind will be light overnight, a little bit of an uptick as we get into the day tomorrow at about 10, maybe 15 miles per hour, all out of the southeasterly direction. As for your comfort level, a little muggy out there for tomorrow and Thursday, but Thursday is going to be in the morning. I think in the afternoon the humidity level drops and eventually that gets a whole lot more comfortable as we get into Friday in the upcoming weekend. As for this evening, an isolated shower north of Highway 20, and as the sun goes down, the clouds and rain disappear. We've got a mostly clear sky overnight. Sunshine here during the morning hours tomorrow, about a 5% chance at a stray shower in our northeastern counties in the afternoon. That's it. Otherwise, we've got sunshine for the day. Clear sky overnight until we get to about 3, 4 o'clock in the morning. A couple of thunderstorms in our western counties. They'll race on towards the northeast and fall apart, and they're done with by 7, no later than 8 o'clock. And then we have some sunshine. And it's going to be windy, warm, and then we've got a front that's passing on by. Question is, where does that line of storms that's going to move through Wisconsin start? Right now, Future Track shows it looks like it's going to be right along the Mississippi River here. Now, if it's a little farther to the south and west by a county, then some storms are possible from Decorah to about Elkader, maybe as far south as Dubuque, and then they'll strengthen and move to the north and east. If it forms right here, then, well, all the storms move to the northeast. So we'll see how this plays out, but right now it's going to be, if any place, it would be in far northeast Iowa. Starting out as they develop and then watch what happens. They move northeast and those all become severe. Around here, just maybe an isolated shower storm. So that's where the risk of severe weather is most likely. Level 3 out of 5 in much of Wisconsin. Again, it depends on where that line starts. Is it going to be along or east of the Mississippi River, or maybe one county to the south and west of the Mississippi River? But I think at this point, the storms aren't going to be there long enough in our coverage area to be severe, but something we'll continue to track as we get into the day on Thursday, since today's only Tuesday. Still have a little time to go. Temperature right around 60 degrees for an overnight low tonight. Normal low should be closer to 50. Daytime highs topping out in the low to mid 80s tomorrow, and that wind out of the southeast at 10 to 15 miles per hour. City by city forecast. Again, an isolated storm chance here on Thursday in the morning hours. And again, any storms are probably going to be more in the northern counties. And then maybe an isolated afternoon shower on Friday. Otherwise, most of the day in most locations will be dry on Friday. But it will be cooler and less humid. Temperatures will be in the 70s. Still windy. Windy on Thursday, Friday, and a little less wind as we get into the afternoon hours on Saturday. Then the wind starts to pick up here on Monday. An area of low pressure will move over the area on Tuesday. That will give us a chance for some rain and some thunderstorms. Temperatures will be a bit cooler. At this point, it doesn't look like we'll see any severe weather out of this, but again, something we'll continue to monitor. A couple of lingering showers maybe early Wednesday morning. Otherwise, temperatures not too bad. A little bit below normal in the upper 60s for highs and lows close to 50.